In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Ollama models with Odysseus and run locally. So let's get started. The prerequisite is going to be, obviously you must have Odysseus and Ollama, and in case if you don't have Odysseus, you can simply click on the card that is appearing on top or watch my latest videos. I have done it for both Mac and Windows. So the first step is you must have Ollama running. After that, go to Odysseus. We'll be having here the chat. Click on select model, click on this plus, and we'll be having here add models in settings. Click on this local, and under quick start we'll be having here Ollama. Select it. The default URL will be added here. After that, just click on add. As you can see, two models are found. In my case, I'm only having two models in my Ollama. In case if you're having many models, it will be added there. If you scroll down and if you just like toggle it, these are the models that I'm having. That is fine. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on delete and remove it. Now just close it. As you can see, now we can choose the Ollama models. I'll just go with this Gemma and I'll just say hi to it. And as you can see, we have got the response. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.